walked into a pet store, Portland, Oregon. Said, I'm looking for some Budgie Smugglers, man. He looked at me like I'd lost my mind. Said, buddy, I think you've got the wrong kind. Budgie Smugglers, Budgie Smugglers, what do those words even mean? Budgie Smugglers, Budgie Smugglers, turns out it's not what it seems. He pointed at a cockatoo, then at some seed. I said, no, no, it's something that you wear. He backed away slow, called the manager. I just wanted swimmers for my derriere. Budgie Smugglers, Budgie Smugglers, what do those words even mean? Budgie Smugglers, Budgie Smugglers, turns out it's not what it seems. Got on, told my wife about my day. She laughed until she couldn't breathe. Said, just in love, that's Australian slang for something that you wear underneath. And all this time I thought it was a bird, a colorful little friend to keep. But no, it's just a pair of Speedos that make the old ladies weep. Now I'm sitting here with my laptop open, Googling bird vet Melbourne in vain, trying to say Melbourne like a local, but it just comes out all wrong again. Budgie Smugglers, Budgie Smugglers, now I finally understand. Budgie Smugglers, Budgie Smugglers, it's underwear, not contraband. Melbourne, 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 Melbourne.